Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to track purchase orders in Monday.com. Let's get right to it. Our first step is to navigate to the Monday.com dashboard and click on the New button to create a new board. This is where we'll track all our purchase orders. The reason we do this is to have a central place where all the information can live and be seen by everyone on the team. Next up, we'll be adding our purchase orders to the board. To do this, click on the Add Item button and fill in the necessary details like order number, vendor name, date, and status. This helps us because it provides a snapshot of each purchase order and its current state. Now that we've done that, it's time to set up our status columns. These will help us track the progress of each order. We can customize these columns to match our workflow. For instance, we can have statuses like ordered, in transit, received, and completed. This matters because it keeps everyone updated on the order's journey from the vendor to us. The next step is to create an automation to update the status. Click on the Automate button, then select the Change Status automation. Customize it to suit your needs. For example, you might want the status to automatically change to in transit after a certain number of days post the order date. This is important because it reduces manual work and increases efficiency. Finally, we will use the Search Everything feature to quickly find any purchase order. Simply type in the order number or vendor name in the search bar at the top of your screen and hit Enter. This feature is a time saver when you need to find information quickly. And there you have it, a quick, efficient way to track purchase orders in Monday.com. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, efficient tracking leads to better business decisions. Until next time.